Hey everybody, this is video very quick about how to uh, edit a video end-to-end using Shotcut Video Editor tool. So first thing first, I would want to go to create a new project. That's my folder. And then the name of the project is how to intentionally download a malware file. Okay, there you go. So we hit start. The first thing you would end up looking at is you would be looking at the blank canvas. First of all, you need to populate it. You need to drag the video that you would want to edit, and then you will be able to bring it to your timeline. Now, this is my timeline. I would want to have a look at it. What does the video say? At the moment, the video is comprising of 9 minutes and 32 seconds. I would want to shrink it down because I made some mistakes in it. So let me play the
Hey
video.
everybody, so this is a process to prepare a malware.
As you can see, there are some gaps in the
For the
video, which I would be getting rid
EICAR
of.
testing.
So we go to a virtual machine, connected anywhere, and you need to ensure that you disable the firewall. Okay, this is fine. Let's see what we have on this machine. Okay, I said disabling the firewall. I'm
Then I'll
doing some
pop into
process.
this. So let me
So as you could see, I made some mistakes. So I would want to get rid of those
malware
mistakes.
thing
So I
here.
would go back a bit. I need to cut some
Machine,
video,
CMD,
part of it, google.com. So I'll hit S. So I'll go to
malware.
the place where I fixed the issue. So I had to struggle a bit to fix some browsing issue. So I think this is where I could. Okay, so it took a real long while for me to fix the network issue. You, so this is where I
Remove the
fixed it, and
USB.
this is where I think I fixed this issue. Let me play it. So I go slow. The Chrome was being installed here. Okay, so this is where I
Okay,
was. So now we are almost there. So allow me to remove the USB.
eject USB disk.
Okay, so this is still
I'll work
my
on another
background
one.
audio when I was preparing my
So
equipment.
we
So we go back to our, so this is where I was ready. So I say, so we go back. So we go back. So I'll get rid of this part. So you could see a lot of it was gibberish. So I press Shift and Backspace. So my video will be now shrunk to, as you could see, 2 minutes 35 seconds. YouTube appreciates the idea of having video under 3 to 4 minutes. So this is very helpful in this regard to shrink it down. Let me see if there is a jump in the video cut.
Google.com.
So we go back to our link. Chrome is sweet in this regard that it doesn't bother you with the unnecessary nonsense. So okay,
Software.
so we connected back to the virtual machine. There you go. So once you have this scenario, you need to tell them that you would want to keep it. Okay, so
Keep
my
dangerous
audio is
file,
fine.
yes.
Extract all, extract here to the USB, and you have your homegrown malware ready in your USB. Remove the USB and then connect it to somewhere, and it should detect the presence of the malicious files. Okay, so basically it has the PDF dropper, it has the malware of pretty much every virus will definitely freak out
Just trying
and
to make
detect the
sure I'm
presence of
not
the malware. So
breaking
this
out.
USB is now ready to use. Okay, so this is all my videos. So I would, the last step would be to export the file. So I'll export the file to a safe place. Let's say, yes, I would give it a name. Okay, I would give it render one. Okay, so this would be my sweet little pre-edited video. I'll have to be a bit patient so that the rendering is complete. Once the rendering is complete, I'll just make sure that everything is playing nice, and then that would be my ready to upload video. So you saw it, that it's very, very straightforward to utilize it. So now this is my sweet little render ready to use. I'll open this
Hey
render
everybody,
file. This is
so
my
this is a
render file.
process to we will download a machine,
Okay,
which is
to the
download
so
a
this is
machine.
my sweet little render machine,
You have your
render video.
home
As the hope this will work. Need to
and
now
all
let's see how
is
in
not
place.
connected
Okay,
anywhere.
so I have now crisp video, 2 minutes 35 seconds. Thank you very much. Enjoy, keep using Shotcut Video Editor tool. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you very much.